So in this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Fusion Market trading account to MT5. So for now, I have not seen their trading app on Google Play Store. So I am using the browser, and it's the browser that you can use. So log into your account through the browser. You can see they have fusionmarkets.com, and you are going to select the trading account that you want to use to connect to your MT5. So you will see all your accounts will be displayed here. So if you want a live account, you can click this create new live account here. So we have one here. When we registered, it was automatically created, and you will see that they have given you your MT5 login. This is the account number. We need this to connect to our MT5, so it's very important. You can click this show more to show you more information. Under the server, we have Fusion Market Live. This is the server name, and this is the MT5 login. So we need extra thing again, which is the password. So to get the password, they usually send you an email containing that password, containing the server, and then also containing the login number or the login. Okay, so these three things are sent to you through your email. However, if you have lost the email, you can change the password by going to this top right hand corner here, these three dots. Click on it. You see the option of edit account details. So you are given the option of changing your password. So you enter the new password, you confirm it here, and you click submit. It will be changed for you. But if you have not lost that email, we are going to the email now, and I will show you how it looks. So I will click this X to cancel this. So the account number ends with 674. So let's go to the email. So this is how your email is going to be. They will tell you your new Fusion MT5 account is ready. So this is it. When you scroll, you are going to see the login number, the server. You can see the server being given to you. Your password is given to you here. Even investor password is also created automatically for you. So like I said, if you can't remember this password or you can't find this email, you can always change it. I just showed you now. So I have not changed it, so I am going to use the password like that. So I will click and copy this password. We have seen that the server is Fusion Markets Live, so we will go over to our MT5 and connect our Fusion Markets account to MT5. Click the MT5 and log into it. When you log into your MT5, it will bring you to either the charts or the codes. Whichever one that it brings you to is still the same. At the top left hand corner here, you will see three horizontal bars where you can click. You will see the option of manage accounts. Click on manage accounts. Under the manage account, you see plus sign at the top right hand corner. You can click to add, or your own plus sign may be in the middle if you have never connected any account to MT5. So I am going to click the plus sign at the top right hand corner. Then we will search for Fusion Markets. When you type the Fusion Markets, this will appear. So we are going with the Fusion Markets. The one with this blue, you see Fusion Markets. It does not have anything like Fusion Markets International, because from what we were given, there is nothing international attached to it. Simply Fusion Markets. So we will select this one. Click on it. So when you select it, you are going to select the server here. Click on the server and you see Fusion Markets Live. If you happen to select that of the international and you come to this server, you may not see this Fusion Markets Live. So it means you are on the wrong one, and you have to go back and select the other one that we just selected, which is just Fusion Markets. So we are selecting the server. Then the password. Now I am going to paste the password that I copied. Now the login number, we will go and copy the login number as well. So this is the login number. We will copy it. Then I will paste it here. Then I can now click on login. Remember to tick this so that it will save your password for you. No need of having to be logging in every time you log into MT5. So click login. And we have been connected to Fusion Markets trading account. So when you come to the lower left hand corner where the codes are written and click, these are the codes available for you that you can trade. You can add more trading pairs by clicking this plus sign at the top right hand corner, and you can see anyone that is available for you to trade, whether it's crypto, whether it's forex. They have about 14 cryptos. So click and then add anyone that you want to add, and it will be added to you. So we've added 4. When you click this back button, it will bring you here, and when you scroll down, you see the ones that we just added just now. If I want to shift anyone to the top, I will make use of this pencil icon, click on it, then select anyone. Let's say this avalanche, I want to move it to the top. So you can click these horizontal bars that are like 4, tap on it and drag it to the top, and then release. It will be added to your codes. When I go back, you see the avalanche has been added at the top. And if I want to delete any code here, I will use the pencil icon, click on it, and then you can click this dustbin icon, tap on it, select the one you want to delete. Let's say this Euro AUD and this Dutch, you select and then click the dustbin icon again. It will delete it for you. When you go back by clicking this back button, you will see that it has been deleted. Remember, deleting it does not delete it from the folder. You can always click this plus sign again, and then you will go back to the forex. You will still see that Euro AUD. If you want to add it, you can click this plus sign. It will be added to you. So if I want to go to the chart of anyone now, I can press and hold it, and you will click here. It will take you to the charts. So it will bring you to the charts, and if you are going to trade, you can make use of these blue and red buttons, and it will allow you to trade. So if I want to also change to another quote again, if you were here, you can go back to the quotes and repeat it again by clicking and holding. Or you simply come to this same chart where you were, and at the top left hand corner where this name is in blue, tap on it and then just simply select anyone. It will now open the chart of that particular one for you. So with this, I have shown you how to connect your Fusion Market Trading account to MT5. If you have any question regarding that, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.